If you are taking mounjaro, this is my ultimate pro tip for the nausea, bloating, and sulphur burp side effects. So mounjaro can actually cause the food in your stomach to start fermenting. That's why some people experience things like sulphur burps, upset stomach, bloating, nausea, and loads more. These are absolutely essential if you're on mounjaro. They contain 50 billion live cultures, which are basically good bacteria for your gut. There are a few extra ingredients to help you feel more refreshed in the morning, but the main focus is on those 50 billion live cultures, helping to reduce bloating, nausea, and other related issues. If anyone has any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll tag the product as well, since so many people have experienced these side effects and it's so easy to manage them.